Hello everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews at Community Ford Lincoln in Bloomington, Indiana. They are a certified black label dealership, and today we're going to go over the hands-free liftgate as well as the power folding second and third row seats found on the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. And the vehicle that we are using is a black velvet black label edition. It does feature the chalet themed Alpine Venetian leather interior. And so without further ado, let's take a look at the hands-free liftgate and power folding seats. And as you can see, with a quick fluid kicking motion underneath the bumper, the liftgate automatically rises. This vehicle also has a separate flipper glass that also lifts up. And folding the seats is easy in the Navigator, especially in the black label with the power folding seats. The third row is power folding and power rising, and the second row is just power folding. You can opt to either do the left or the right seats, or you can press the center button as shown here to do both. You don't necessarily have to hold the button, but sometimes I do just to make sure. And pressing the center button for the second row automatically dumps the seat backs. Now you do have to actually manually lift the seat backs in the second row because they do not power rise. Headrest will automatically dump in the third row seats. As you can see, they fold flat. You have a nice flat cargo space. And another view of the second row seats folding. The console does get in the way, but it's pretty spacious. Alright, and as an added bonus, we're going to take a quick look at the power deploying running boards. These running boards automatically deploy with the unlock button on the key fob or as you approach the vehicle with the key fob on your person. After a while, they will automatically retract back into the frame. And this does conclude our look at the hands-free liftgate, as well as the power folding rear seats and the power deploying running boards. And if you like this video or would like to see more like this, please leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.